Hi everybody, welcome. It is day 24 of Treasure Trovember. We are in the final stretch. So today the prompt is add white. And I will tell you that in years past, I've had a similar prompt that people either loved or hated, but a lot of people embraced it. And that prompt was to cover something with gesso. So today's prompt is to add white. If you want to use something to cover something up, that's fine. This is collage and it's all about the layers, right? So if there's something that really bothers you, use white to cover it up, or use white to lighten up an area that's getting a little too dark, or just a little bit of white. Anyhow, that's today's prompt. Add some white, however you'd like to interpret it, and I will see you back here tomorrow. Thanks so much for being here.